Do you want to do the intro?
What do you normally say?
Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So you can say, hello fellow stackers, it's...
I don't normally say hello fellow stackers. I just say hello, it's Mrs. 365 here.
Shall I do the intro?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got some unboxings and I have a special guest with me. I'm actually joined with Mrs. 365 and that is because I have a mail call here that is addressed to myself and Mrs. 365. So I did ask Mrs. 365 if she wanted to do a video on her own because quite often she likes me to go out the room so that I don't put her off when she's going through the coins that I've laid out for her to look at. But in today's video, you wanted to join me.
I did.
So let's start off by saying cheers. What have you got there? Oh, you can't really see it. Oh, cheers. What have you got in yours then?
Whiskey and Coke.
Whiskey and Coke. Very nice. And I have whiskey on the rocks.
Lovely.
Well, don't pretend you like it.
No, it's actually disgusting.
Mrs. 365 was drinking a cider and she ran out of cider, so I poured her a whiskey and Coke, but she doesn't really like whiskey and Coke, so she's struggling through. Right, okay, first of all, we'll do this one. So this is remember I told you I swapped a bar with someone?
Yeah.
Well, money wins, cabbage.
Oh yeah, I remember.
And I don't know if I've told you about this, but this is why I needed your phone, because we need to download an app. And the app is called Mint ID, I think it's called. Mint ID. Did I pick the one? Oh, I think I picked the wrong one. No. Mint ID. Ah, there it is.
What, and is this only for this?
Oh, how do you do that?
Coin? Oh, it's... Okay.
Right. So I'm not sure how easy this is going to be to sign up. Are you connected to the Wi-Fi?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Right, okay, so Mint ID. Ah, there we go. Explore as a guest. Now, World Money Win did actually send me a private video on YouTube showing me how to do this. Ah, there we go. Right, okay, so this is the closest you're going to get to a proper tracked piece of silver. See if it works. You might just take your case off the phone.
It goes through the packaging? Surely not.
If it works, I haven't tried it before. Right, how do you take your case off?
Oh.
Right, okay, so ready to scan.
That's never going to scan through packaging, surely. No.
No.
No, you have to take it out of the packaging, surely.
Oh, that vibrate. No. Oh, look, ready to scan.
Hey.
Tick.
Oh, look at that.
There we go. So this shows you the bar inside the packaging. So it says 5 ounce Mint ID silver buffalo bar. Look at that. Genuine. So let's see if that is what's inside here. Pretty cool, isn't it?
It is pretty cool.
few look, there's a few goodies in here. Wow, so look, that actually scanned through not just one Jiffy bag, but another one as well.
And these might have been in front of it
Yeah,
as well.
I think they probably in front of it as well. So we have some World Money Wins stickers, and I believe these are for me to forward on. It says on here, extra chips and stickers included just in case you would like to re-gift. So we've got 4 World Money Wins stickers, and we've also got some poker chips as well. These are really cool. Do you want to have a look at one?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's your one.
No, it's only the packaging. They're cool, aren't they?
They are really cool.
They've got 2 expect to self-rescue.
Yeah, they're good, aren't they?
Really cool. So we've got 4 there. And then, so if we do that app again then, that should work a lot better now, shouldn't it? Now that we've just got one layer to go through. So let's have a look. There we go. 5-ounce silver buffalo bar. So it's really cool, isn't it? That it actually verifies it through the packaging. And let's see if it got it right. Look at that. And that is what it is picking up. So that's the NFC chip that it's picking up. Really cool looking bar. Now this is the bar that I swapped with Well Money Wins for my 5-ounce pure Scottish silver bar. Really, really nice looking piece. It's almost got a proof finish. Mintidy.com. And this is the first bar that I have that has this on it. What do you think of that?
That's pretty cool, isn't it? It's like a mirror. It's so shiny.
Really nice. Do you want to have a little look?
Oh, it's quite heavy as well, isn't it?
Yeah, it's 5 ounces of silver. That's cool, isn't it? And that's how you can verify it. So you can actually scan this with your phone and it verifies whether it's the real deal. So yeah, really cool. Really nice bar. So thank you, Well Money Wins, for the swap. Really, really nice piece of silver. Feels great in the hand. So let's shuffle that to one side. And then you wanted to unpackage this next one, didn't you? As it's addressed to you as well.
Yeah.
So do you want to move over in there? There you go. Right, I'm going to sit back and have a whiskey then.
How do I undo this then?
Okay.
I don't know. God. I'll just rip instead.
Now, I believe this is from Cider Soundman. He did say that he has sent you a little gift.
Oh, that's really kind. Thank you very much.
Oh, look, I think there's a little note in here.
Oh. You can read that out.
No,
you can do the honours. You can do the honours.
Wow, okay, right. So here we go. Hang on, no peeking. Right, so it says, Dear 365, please find enclosed the first ever Stackers Social silver toning pouch, as seen in my making of video. Please also find enclosed a black and Tiffany blue minimalist card holder for your wife, Mrs. 365.
Oh, that's really nice.
I hope you're well and looking forward to the future giveaways on Stackers Social. Your friend, Cider Soundman. P.S. Please find a 1-ounce Perth Mint Lunar Dragon coin for the next giveaway. So that's really cool. So it actually included a coin for the next Stackers Social giveaway in there as well. So thank you, Si.
Thank you.
Wow, look at all these goodies.
Nicely packaged.
Look at that, straight in there. That must be your one. That's the Tiffany blue.
That's so nice. Look at that. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. I love the colours as well. Thank you very much. That feels so nice. Do you want to have a feel?
Oh, look at that stitching. Look at the blue stitching as well.
It's lovely. It's really nice. I like the colours.
So you've got a bit there where you can put cash at the top.
Yeah.
And you've got card pouches all the way around.
That's really nice.
What have you got in there? Yeah, it might be a business card.
Yeah.
What's it say on the back? Oh, there we go. That's just the website.
Oh no, thank you very much. That's really nice. Thank you. Very kind of you. Thank you.
You're a lucky girl, aren't you?
I am. Thank you.
Right, what have I got? So this is the first Stack of Social coin pouch that has the Stack of Social logo on it. Look at that. Really, really cool. Stack of Social established 2023. What a nice colour. Look at that leather.
That is really nice. Yeah, that's really nice.
Oh, look, it's even got his company on there. Look, Cardus Leather Goods on the actual keyring bit. So that's really cool. You can put coins in there, whatever you want to put in there.
Yeah, that's good, isn't it?
Look at
really
that.
nice.
Oh, look, and he's got his logo on the button as well.
It looks really smart, doesn't it?
Really, really classy. And then we also, last but not least, have the 1 ounce bar that Sai has very, very kindly gifted for the next Stack of Social giveaway. I don't think I've actually seen these in the hand, so this is going to be really interesting to see how it looks.
Oh, that's really cool. Look at that.
Year of the Dragon 2024. Look at that. What a really stunning coin. There you go. You've got the tribute to the coin there. Dates of her reign at the top.
That's really nice, isn't it?
And have a little look.
Yeah, I really like that. So that's for the Chinese New Year, isn't it?
Yeah, Year of the Dragon, which is this year, 2024. It's nice. It's got like a matte background and like shiny proof on the Queen.
I still like the ones with the Queen on.
Yeah, I'm surprised they brought out the Queen on this 2024 one. You'd think it would change over now.
Yeah, it is nice to see the Queen, isn't it? Instead of, I don't really like the ones with the King on.
Do you not?
No.
Absolutely stunning piece. So yeah, this will be, like I said, given away in a future giveaway on Stack of Social. So please do head over and join Stack of Social. It's a free Discord group and the link will be in today's video description. But yeah, we're going to wrap the video up there. Thank you very much, Well Money Wins, for the bar swap. Really, really like this, and it's really, really cool. It kind of ties in nicely with the track around and the whole April Fool's thing. The fact that you can actually scan it and it shows you what piece of silver it is. Really nice. Really like this. I know you wasn't a massive fan of it when you showcased it, and that's why I said if you wanted to swap it. I just think it's really innovative. Is that the word?
What are you trying to say?
Innovative. No, cut that out.
What are you trying to say?
What's it called when it's like new technology? Innovative.
Innovative?
No, you don't even know it.
I don't even know what you're trying to say.
Innovative. Alexa, how do you say innovative?
I'm having trouble hearing.
I'm not surprised.
Say that again.
Innovative.
No, absolutely not. She hasn't got a clue.
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Innovated. Alexa, innovated. What's it mean?
Innovated is a form of the verb innovate, which is usually defined as to introduce something new, make changes in anything established.
Innovated.
For
Innovated.
more,
Yeah.
ask me to
Alexa.
give you a defini-
Stop. Really cool new technology, and like I said, it's not something I've ever seen on a piece of silver before in the hand. So yeah, really cool piece. And like I said, thanks very much for the poker chips and the stickers. We'll get them sent out to people over here in the UK. Let me know in the comment section or on Stack of Social if you'd like one of these stickers, and I'll get you one shipped out. And yeah, thank you very much, Si, for the really cool leather pieces.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you.
And like I said, this will be given away very soon. So we're going to wrap the video up there. Cheers. Enjoy your whiskey. There we go. And we'll see everyone in the next video. Thanks all for watching.
Bye.